Hello and welcome to the episode. LexinMoto have kindly sent me this Bluetooth intercom headset to review. This is the B4FM model and is suitable to connect rider to rider, as well as connecting various multimedia devices. It's a stylish unit and easy to push waterproof buttons, not overly complicated, and also has a USB-C connection. Here are the key features: 10 rider connections, music sharing, 36mm high definition speakers, Type-C USB port with fast charge, water resistant units, 15-hour battery talk time, Siri and Google Voice compatible, noise cancelling, 1.2 mile rider to rider range, and USB-C interchangeable microphone. Here's what you get in the box. This product has a high quality finish and feels pretty solid. It has large, easy to press rubber buttons with pairing and power LEDs. Underneath we have a USB-C charger port with rubber grommet. And at the back we have a USB-C headset port, also with a rubber grommet. Here we have the headset microphone and adhesive paddings. Next we have the mounting hardware, an Allen key to secure the bracket to your helmet. There are various spaces here to help get that snug fit. Next we have the base plate the unit can slide onto once fixed to the helmet. This is an additional method to secure the unit to your helmet in case the backing plate does not fit. This has a very strong self-adhesive pad on the back. Also in the box we have a USB to USB-C charge cable. Here we have the speakers. The shorter wire is the left speaker and the longer wire is the right speaker. You can remove the large pad so they can fit into a small recess inside your helmet. If you don't have the recess, use these large pads. The microphone connects to the section as shown. Here I will be using the smaller microphone as it fits better in my helmet. You also have a boomstick microphone for open face and flip helmets. The unit connects as shown. Here is a mounting base bracket. It has a rubber backing for extra grip. It's a stylish looking bracket with the Lexin logo on the bottom. The unit slides down from the top and clips in place. For the clamp we have various adapters to help cater for most helmets. Pick what type of spacers you will need. Make sure you read the instructions before installation. Now we will be installing the system into my HGC I-70 helmet. First thing you need to do is remove the cheek pads as shown. Now assemble the mounting bracket. There are two sets of screws, long ones if you are using the spacer and shorter ones if you don't need the spacer. On this model we won't be using the spacer, so assemble as shown. Just leave the screws loose so you can slide the bracket onto the side of your helmet. Slide the bracket on the inner side of the foam and in between the outer shell. Now tighten the screws. Next grab the speakers and remove the large pads if your helmet has a recess like mine, as we won't be needing these. Now stick the Velcro pads onto each speaker. Use the rough side on both speakers. Now stick the fluffy pads inside the recess on both sides of your helmet. Now we are going to install the microphone. I'm using the small microphone here. Stick the Velcro on the microphone, pull the adhesive off and stick in front of your helmet as shown. Now install both speakers. Remember, the shorter wire goes on the left side and the longer wire goes on the right side. Plug the microphone in. Install the unit and plug the headset in. Now neatly tuck all the wires in. Place both cheek pads in and make sure there is no tension on the wires and they are not getting trapped anywhere. Once done, pair the unit by holding the power button for 5 seconds. The LEDs will flash as shown. Scan for Bluetooth devices on your phone. Now you can listen to music, connect to other riders and also control your phone. A link to buy this product is in the description below. I will make a review of this product once I had more time with it. I appreciate you watching. Until then, I've been Nick and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.